In this demonstration, we'll go through the process of recovering formatted data from a USB flash drive using RecoveryFox AI. First, let's open Windows Files Explorer and navigate to our targeted removable drive, ESD-USB, located on drive letter E. As you can see, the drive currently contains various document types, including PDF, SRT, and image files. To stimulate a complete data loss scenario, we will select all existing files on the volume, permanently delete them, and then proceed to perform a full FAT32 quick format on the partition. With the USB volume now completely wiped and empty, we launch RecoveryFox AI from the desktop. Upon opening the application, the drive selection panel displays all connected local drives and storage partitions. We select the target drive, ESD-USB, and click Start Scan. The software initializes a multi-pass scanning process, combining a quick system index scan with a deeper AI sector scan to reconstruct missing file signature. Once the scan reaches 100%, the detected files are organized in the left panel, filtered by both directory structure and raw file types, such as documents, SRT, subtitles, MP4 videos, and PNG images. Next, we review and select the specific file categories we want to restore. You can expand individual folders or check entire file type categories, including video files, subtitle scripts, and PDF documents. Once the required items are selected, click the Recover button at the bottom right. A prompt will appear asking for an output destination. It is best practice to select a separate local volume, such as a new folder created on the desktop, to prevent overwriting raw sectors on the source USB drive during the extraction phase. Click OK to initiate the file reconstruction process. RecoveryFox AI reassembles the fragmented data clusters into their original formats. Once complete, a confirmation message appears indicating that the files were successfully recovered. Opening the extracted files, including engineering PDF schematics, subtitle files, MP4 clips, and PNG image assets, verifies that the data has been restored with full integrity. Whether you are dealing with accidental formatting, corrupted partitions, or deleted files, RecoveryFox AI works seamlessly across internal SSDs, HDDs, and all removable storage devices. Check the description of the video for download link to RecoveryFox AI. Thanks for watching this video.